Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Colliding Galaxies 2 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majaric from Slovakia and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with the best quality possible. The Colliding Galaxies 2 puzzle is made of two different types of wood, cherry and Wenge. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all four parts inside the frame in such a way that both quite interesting openings will be covered and there will be no sticking out parts like this, and there will be no gaps in the openings. This puzzle has four parts. Each part has a unique shape. As you can see, all of them are completely different, and the frame is quite interesting as well, since it has cutouts on both sides and they look exactly the same. If you look at the cutout on this side, then flip the puzzle, you will find completely the same cutout on this side. It goes along each side and the cutout is 1 voxel tall and 3 voxels wide on each side. So it is quite a huge opening for such a puzzle, and you have to figure out the way how to put all four parts in such a way that you will be able to cover all openings. This puzzle is a 3x3x3 cube. That means that you have to figure out the way how to put all four parts together and make a cube that you will later can fit inside the frame. So it will be quite a challenging puzzle and it will take you quite some time to figure out the solution. If you like the Colliding Galaxies 2 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.